Governor says the betterment to one-layer gravel of the Ngaute-Karukuvisa road is progressing well. The 50-kilometer stretch of the Jallikat line, a road that passes through at least 3 constituencies, is also being upgraded to gravel. However, Ausiku wanted to know from the Works and Transport Minister on when the upgrading of the Nkurenkuru-Nepara to bitumen standard will commence.
Nepara-Nkurenkuru road, we want to know when will it start, as well as other feeder roads in some constituencies, especially Nambagoro and Kapako constituency, where we don't have a single feeder road. It's not easy for our schools and clinics to bring a patient to clinics or to take materials to various schools in the inland.
The governor also says the streets being constructed in Nkurenkuru are of poor quality, appealing for assistance from Roads Authority. Nkurenkuru has no engineers to help supervise and ensure quality work is delivered, she added.
Our appeal is the leadership, if Nkurenkuru Town Council can be assisted, because they don't have engineers to monitor these roads they are busy with.
Responding to some of the concerns, Mutorwa says Nkurenkuru-Nepara is a strategic feeder road to public servers as well as farmers. Mutorwa therefore says he will consult within his ministry to see whether there are funds available so that projects can commence.
We'll have to find out, and if there is something, then that something must come. Because this road to Nepara also, it serves quite both government facilities, schools, clinics. I know we had the auction crowd there that we put up during the time when I was in agriculture. It goes to farms. It goes also to the defense force, to the camp there. So it's not a road that just. It's a very, very important artery. But why shift up to 2024? Because me, last year, I was given this, but we'll find out.
The Nepara road construction was expected to start in 2021, but it was halted along with other government capital projects at the height of the COVID-19 pandemic.